Okay, earlier today I was doing dishes, and the faucet, or the spigot for the faucet, just decided it was going to pop off of here. Looks like there's about three, excuse me, I'm making a mess here, about 3 or 4 threads here, and it popped off, shot water everywhere up above me, but you can see in here, let me see if the threads that are holding on are all stripped out there. There's a lot of good threads up there, but I can't get to those because this thing fits on there. And it has to go over this plastic nylon piece to tighten the thing down so that it can still swivel back and forth while you got it on there. So I took some quick measurements, did the best guesstimation I could on the threads in there. Printed this out. It took about 2 hours to print. It wasn't long. It took me probably about 20-30 minutes to design, and I guesstimated the threads pretty good. I already kind of put this on here once. I did have some leaks coming out of here and here the first time because I could only got it on there hand tight. You can see I can only go so far. So this time I'm bringing out the heavy artillery, a couple of channel locks, and we'll just give it maybe a quarter turn. I don't want to go overboard. See what it does, but now swivels no problem. And we get some water. I guess we don't need that piece in there. And looks like I don't see any leaks right now. So in any case, 3D printer say that I can't believe they make this thing out of plastic, but apparently it is. But in any case, that'll hold me through at least until I can get to the hardware store and get a whole new faucet and all of this jazz. Thanks for watching. Bye.